Today, I'm going to create a simple nightlight circuit. The first component I'll be using is a BC547 transistor. I'll start by bending the emitter and collector pins to form a T-shape. Next, I'll trim the collector pins slightly and apply a bit of solder to it. Now, I'm taking a 1K ohm resistor and soldering it to the collector pin of the transistor. Once it's in place, I'll trim off the excess leg of the resistor. Next, here's a yellow LED. I'll bend both of its legs and trim the negative short leg. Then I'll apply solder to both the resistor's free end and the LED's negative leg and solder them together. Now moving on, I'll apply a little solder to the base pin of the transistor and the positive leg of the LED. Then I'll take a 100K ohm resistor and solder it between the base of the transistor and the positive leg of the LED, forming a feedback loop. After that, I'll trim off the extra leads. Next, I'll apply some solder to the emitter pin of the transistor. Now it's time to add the LDR, light-dependent resistor. I'll solder it between the emitter and base pins of the transistor. Finally, it's time to connect power. I'll solder the positive wire of a 12-volt battery to the positive leg of the LED and the negative wire to the emitter pin of the transistor. Now the circuit is complete. When I cover the LDR or it senses darkness, the LED will turn on, acting as a nightlight. If you found this project helpful, please like the video and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching.